Guys, I can't believe this is vegan. This is actually vegan. I don't think I've ever craved cauliflower so much. Pa arriba, pa adentro, papaya. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode on Eating with Chavarin. Today we're in La Mesa, California at the food court inside Grossmont Center. We're on our way to visit Mariscos NoMar, which is a 100% plant-based cevicheria. Guys, this place looks bomb, fantastic, fire, all the above. So with that being said, let's go have some vegan ceviche. Vámonos.
Si no me quieres, puedes irte cuando quieras, puedes irte. En el tren de 6, puedes irte. Si no me quieres, puedes irte.
Baja ceviche is your traditional ceviche. The base of the ceviche is onions, tomatoes, cucumber, cilantro in a house-made tomato juice blend. Then the main ingredient to the ceviche baja, instead of the fish or the shrimp, in this case would be the cauliflower that's been brined in lime juice. It's topped off with some fresh avocado, microgreens, and then sprinkled with some granulated kelp on top.
So we found ourselves a little corner here at the mall. You know, we have to follow COVID-19 guidelines and policy based on the mall. Unfortunately, we can't eat it inside, pero aquí es suficiente. So now what we have our tostada with the veganese on top, and we have ourselves our cauliflower ceviche. Woo! Entonces, hay que ponerle a la tostada, porque ya nos está dando hambrita. And we're gonna top it off with this avocado here. And this is the chile de árbol that we're gonna put on top. Y ya está lista la tostadita aquí. Y ahora para adentro, papá. ¿Qué hubo? Holy moly. That's bomb. That is bomb, guys. Gente, esto, it's incredible because I'm so used to eating fish or the shrimp ceviche. This actually tastes like you're eating like the real mariscos. I kid you not. I can't believe this is vegan. This is actually vegan. Like all the different flavors that it has taste exactly like the actual ceviche, the fish or the shrimp ceviche. It's just fantastic. Everything about it I love. I absolutely love this. The cauliflower gives it that little crunch. El aguacate, el chile de árbol gives it that. It's a little bit sweet, a little bit, but it's also spicy enough with all the veggies. El tomate, la cebollita. Guys, this is fantastic. I swear this is delicious. Baja Style Ceviche with the cauliflower. Bomb, guys.
I opened this place right before Thanksgiving of last year. I was crazy but lucky enough to open during the middle of a pandemic. I'm known for ceviche, vegan ceviche. I believe I'm the first vegan cevicheria in San Diego. I wanted to try and do something that wasn't really here for the vegan community, and I also wanted to focus on more of a raw and cold bar, which is what led me to do the cevicheria. After being open for a few weeks, or a little over a month, I started growing my menu, and that's when I expanded into tacos. So everything is quote-unquote seafood based, but obviously 100% vegan. Everything I make is also gluten-free, keto-friendly, so I try to do a little bit for everyone. There's only one item on my menu that has gluten, so it's just, I try to do a healthier approach to eating. Plus, during the pandemic, everything skyrocketed when it came to prices, so I tried to do something that was like within reach of most people and still fill it. Coming out, support your local businesses. We're here, we're open, we're serving the community, and we want you to come and eat and enjoy everything that San Diego has to offer.
Así como bailas, es que me gusta. Como tú me miras, es que me gusta. Oye, como tú me abrazas, es que me gusta. Como tú me besas, es que me gusta. Sí, sí.
Este es el taco de camarón enchilado. Tenemos la tortilla de maíz con el queso vegano encima derretido. Y encima de esa tortilla con queso ponemos el camarón vegano, que está hecho de proteína vegetal. Y el camarón va salteado en una salsa enchilada, que está picosa, que está hecha en base de chile guajillo, chile de árbol y jitomate. Y el otro lado es el taco gobernador. It's, again, a corn tortilla, the melted cheese, y tiene el vegetable medley que lleva el taco gobernador original, que es chile, tomate y cebolla. Y a esto yo le pongo coliflor en vez del camarón para que salga el gobernador. Encima tiene una crema que está hecha en base de cashew, una crema de cilantro. Tiene mucho sabor y un poquito de un toquecito de picante. Y encima de todo lleva los microgreens con granulated kelp para que le dé ese sabor a mar y amarre.
Let's go outside to enjoy these tacos. Vámonos. Guys, we had to change the scenery because we lost our seat. So that's why if you see the different background, pues nos cambiamos de asiento. Pero lo importante es la comida. What we have here is the taco de camarón enchilado. Damn, let's dig in. The different spices, the corn tortilla, the cheese that it has, that veggie protein. It's really good, guys. Awesome combination. Lo que me encanta de este taco, what I love about it is la salsa. It's spicy, not too spicy. It's perfect. And I think this is my favorite part of this taco right here. Okay. It gives it that extra taste right there. It's just, it's fantastic. Now let's move on to the Taco Gobernador. Guys, check it out. Check it out. I don't think I've ever craved cauliflower so much. Pa arriba, pa adentro, papaya. This one's not as spicy. It has more of a lemony taste. You can taste más la cebolla. The cauliflower gives it that crunch. And with the greens, oh, está increíble este taco. Increíble. Different taste. Mira nomás, mira. Look at all the mess that I'm making. Por los taquitos estos. Pero está fantástico este taco aquí. La pura neta, me encanta. Me encanta el taco. Estos dos tacos, camarón enchilado y taco gobernador, totally recommend it. They will make your taste buds go crazy. Y esto se merece un...
Esta es mi tierra, compadre. Esta es mi tierra, compadre. Esta es mi tierra. Y si vas a Maracaibo, ahí verás el petróleo brotando. Esta es mi tierra, compadre. Esta es mi tierra. Y si pasa por mi llano, ahí recibirán mi abrazo de hermano. Esta es mi tierra, compadre.
It's two shrimp cocktail. So it's a vegan shrimp that's made out of vegetable protein and wheat gluten. But the sauce is a ketchup base. There's a vegan clamato that I make in house. It's spiced up with a couple of different salsas. Then there's onions, tomatoes, cucumbers, cilantro, all mixed in with the shrimp, and it's topped off with some fresh avocado, microgreens, and the granulated kelp.
So let's go outside to eat our shrimp cocktail. Let's do it. Mi gente, vamos a cerrar con broche de oro with our quote-unquote shrimp cocktail. Oh my gosh, look at this. That veggie protein, avocado slices, and the in-house clamato sauce that he makes here. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Bro. Oh, damn. Dude. It tastes like you're actually eating like shrimp, man. Getting that ocean taste. Dude, this is crazy. It's crazy. It's perfect porque it has enough lime juice The balance with the clamato sauce, the avocado, perfect. Not too salty, because sometimes, you know, some clamatos, they make them a little bit, or cocktails, they make them a little bit salty. This is just perfect. That veggie protein, I don't know what this has, but it's fantastic, guys. Otra vez, la vamos a probar una vez más. This shrimp cocktail, vegan shrimp cocktail, se merece un... Ya estamos. Guys, Mariscos NoMar was absolutely fire. Straight fire. I'm not even vegan, but I absolutely fell in love with their food. So you have to come out and support Mariscos NoMar. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, Eating with Chavarin, to get the best food reviews in San Diego. Y como siempre, mi gente, la dieta empieza el lunes, pero del año que entra.